Mike Sweeney has been an active member of the Soldotna community since 1979. Mike first partnered with Ron Malston in a family clothing store. And then, in 1988, Mike opened Sweeney's, providing clothing from head to toe. Things really started looking up when he moved to his current location. Mike's been a hands-on merchant, whether in advertising or minding his store. His goal has always been to keep Alaskans warm, and Mike's community-minded with Rotary and Soldotna Chamber of Commerce events, the sled dog race, Father's Day pop drop, and the Progress Days parade. He's put on fashion shows and sponsored 4-H auctions and started the St. Patrick's Day celebration. So come say hi to Mike during his 31st anniversary. You know where it's at.
It's here